The reason why the focus in the last 20 years by government has been outside the inner city is that we look at the available resources that we have as government, including land. Where do we have land that is reasonable in terms of price? Because you must be able to maximize the opportunities in order to deal with the backlog. And now, most of the land in the inner city, you would know that it is owned by the private sector. I mean, people make an argument about the 1 hectare of land that was sold, which is Tafelberg. I mean, the houses that you could fit there in Tafelberg, it's just over 100 houses, quite frankly. I mean, if you densify, we could get to 200. Now, the real issue here about land in the inner city is that how do we make sure, Anel, that we are able to get land reasonably cheaper so that we can be able to maximize the use of that land for as many people as possible. Because if you are going to take the limited resources in terms of the funding that you have to buy very expensive land in the inner city and provide very few opportunities for few people, then it puts into jeopardy the whole program where people are waiting for houses and they are growing every day in terms of that backlog that we are talking about. Now, what we need to get right is a partnership between government, the landowners, the service providers, in a situation where, for example, if I can make an example, you can be able to achieve an integrated development. Because let us not talk about social housing only now in the inner city. How do you get an integrated development where you'll be able to get a cross-subsidization between the poorest of the poor at the lower end of the market and the people who can afford to pay the upper end of the market? Because part of the reason why many buildings are derelict and are falling apart in areas like Joburg and Durban is because you're setting the poor for failure. If you build a development for poor in the inner city and when they can no longer afford to pay, you can't maintain that development or that building. So you've got to get a situation where there's integrated development that cater for various types of people so that you can be able to cushion the poor if they can no longer afford to pay.